What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Just about to hit the road here. We are headed to Casa Grande, Arizona. Going down there to check out the progress on the Lucid Motors factory. They're going to be building a vehicle called the Lucid Air, which should be kind of a Tesla competitor. I'll believe it when I see it. Apparently the factory is being built on a 500-acre lot, and it will be 820,000 square feet, just referencing some notes here on my iPad. And apparently will employ 745 people. It sounds like they broke ground fairly recently, but I did see some pictures in the local Tesla group that it looks like there's actually a bit of a structure. So I'm gonna go down there, check it out, put the drone in the air and see what we can find. All right, guys, we made it. There's the Lucid factory, or what will be the Lucid factory. It looks like there are people moving around and working on construction even during COVID-19. They're spraying some water there. There are a lot of power lines here, so I'm a little nervous about flying the drone, but it should be fine. All right, was able to put the drone up, got it up, got some really awesome footage of the factory and the progress that's being made. Fortunately, there is quite a bit of wind today, so I wasn't able to get quite as good of a pan all the way around the factory as I would have hoped, just due to the Mavic Mini is not the greatest in strong wind, but I did what I could and used the wind to my advantage on one side of it. There was a security car that drove by, kind of in the dirt, just kind of patrolling it, but I'm on a public right-of-way and it's uncontrolled airspace, so there's not a whole lot they could have said, but I'm glad they didn't come and harass me or anything. But now I'm headed to the Casa Grande Supercharger, just gonna top off quick, maybe grab some In-N-Out first. That way I have more charge once I get back to the Phoenix Metro, since the East Valley of Phoenix still doesn't have any superchargers. We are at the Casa Grande Supercharger. I've got my In-N-Out, got my disinfectant wipe. All right, sorry for the abrupt cutoff there. As I was plugging in, the guy at the Supercharger next to me in his Titanium 85D, he came up and was asking me about my Model S Aero wheels, so I chatted with him for a bit. I gave you my card, so if you're watching this, hello. Eating my In-N-Out, charging up my car up to 64%. For Casa Grande being a supercharger that's generally out of repair, it's charging just fine. Yeah, we'll be heading back to Phoenix. Just want to give a shout out to a company I really like, Protect My Tesla. Check them out, protectmytesla.com. They have a ton of Model 3, Model S, Model X, and soon Model Y accessories, mud flaps, clear bra, wraps, all that kind of stuff. So check them out. just arrived home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. That was a little over 120 miles there, and yeah, it was nice, easy drive, highway. Just wanted to touch also on the location for the Lucid factory. So being in Casa Grande, it is right off the 8, which heads, or which you can take west to San Diego. And it's also right off, let's see, I think it's the 10. Looking at the map here in my car. Yeah, so it's right off the 10, which goes north-south and connects the Phoenix metro area to the Tucson metro area. It's about an hour south of Phoenix and about an hour north of Tucson, so pretty convenient, easy for staffing and everything, so people would likely be willing to commute either way for the right position, so they should be able to attract pretty good talent. Just another point I want to touch on, Tesla actually has their Maxwell battery factory in Peoria, which is northwest of the Phoenix metro area. So it's kind of interesting that the Phoenix metro is becoming a little bit of a hotspot for EV technology and some of those developments. So very excited to see what happens there. Again, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button as well as the like button. It really helps out my channel. Trying to make this into a full-time thing here, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Any feedback you have, greatly appreciated. Any suggestions on locations or things you want to see. Right now with COVID-19, I'm pretty much limited to day trips because accommodations are pretty hard to find, but pretty much anything within a day trip of the Phoenix metro area, I am game, so just put your suggestions down below in the comments. Thank you guys. Brandon Flash here.